twofold. What colors look best on you? And then what colors look best on you in the space that you're in? So for example, I have a dark cabinet behind me and a light sofa. So I can't wear anything light that I'm gonna blend in on this side, and I can't wear anything too dark that I'm gonna blend in on this side. Quite often, a really good color to wear is a medium blue, a brighter blue, a medium blue, because usually people don't have blue walls. So that brings you into the foreground, and you're not gonna blend in with what's behind you. You do not wanna wear black, and you do not wanna wear white. White is the first thing that the camera picks up on, and everything else will become darker because the camera needs to adjust to the white. And the reality is, you don't want everyone to see the white clothing, you want them to see your face. On the opposite side, if you wear black, you will recede into the background, you'll look smaller, and you're not gonna be able to have people look at you, pay attention to you, so that you're the focus. And also, you want people to be able to see your torso so they can read your nonverbal language. And by wearing a solid color that is different from your background, they will be able to see your face and you.